So guys, today I thought I'd make a short video on how to use Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk for short. That's what most online nowadays. So you go, I'll go back for you. You go to MTurk.com, exactly how it sounds, MTurk.com, and you'll see right here it says access a global on-demand 24/7 workforce. Just hit get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. And then you want to go to the make money part. There's create tasks if you want to create tasks for other people to do. That's if you have a work or business, or you just want some statistical data. But for now, we're going to go to make money. Make money in your spare time, get paid for completing a simple task. We click on this, and if it's your first time, it'll make you create a worker account. But since I already have a worker account, um, then it'll automatically go in. And right here we have, okay, the white ones are ones that you can do right now. And right now there's a little glitch right now where it's not really, well, this one's working. You'd go in here and you would do this task and submit it. It's usually a survey. It can be like a little voice activated thing or type sentences or something like that. And let's see. I want to see what happens when I do Instagram account does not exist. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. The Instagram account is a person. Okay, so apparently they're just wanting to advertise their Instagram. Some people will do that to where they're looking for information on someone, but they're trying to advertise themselves, which is fine. I mean, they pay Amazon to put up this reward, or they pay you to do the work. So I'm going to leave that alone. Yeah, so these white ones are ones you can accept and work and get paid for. The reward is right there, and that's when it was created. This is how many people can actually do it that it's available for, and that's a lot. But um, the the yellow ones are one that are locked, or people have already done the limit, or yeah, basically like that. And what I suggest if you're doing this and you're planning on doing a lot of them is set it to 100 item per page. That way you can see a lot more. And see, some of them are 20 to 50 cents. And those are usually the only ones I do. I might do a 10-cent one, but those are usually the only ones I do. Right now, a lot of them are not working. So, and you'll get that, but that's what you expect with a micro-tasking website like this. Some of them will work, some of them won't. But Amazon Mechanical Turk, the good thing is most of the time they work. It's a lot better than most micro-tasking websites. But I want to show this to you all. Let's see. What you can do is you can go and sort by created, and well, we'll see. That was the most recent. But yeah, go to created, and this way you will find more ones that you're able to do because they're created recently. See, the further away it goes, the further away it goes, I mean, obviously, the less you're gonna have to do because people they've already hit the limit on that, and uh, that's that's about all I wanted to say. Oh, you have to see. I didn't even know this. You have to qualify for some. I guess if that's what the let's do a qualify. Uh, Total approved hits is greater than 10,000. Wow. So there's some people that have done like over 5 to 10,000 microtask, and that is a lot. I mean, this takes work. I mean, it's a little bit of work, but it's not too bad. I want to see if I can see it without revealing too much. I don't know, dashboard. These are all the ones. These are all that I made. I made 22, 28. I did 8 or 7 approved of those. Made $2.15, and then the past week I got 2 approved and made $1.29. One of them was like a buck or something, and I made like 350 for a total of probably an hour, over an hour work, which is not great, but at least it's in your own home and everything. It's probably a lot better than a lot of survey sites. So, see, I got another 20 cents that I got approved for. So, it's real hit or miss, but I wanted to show this to you all. It's another way to make money online. Any other ways to make money other online are always good for you to know about. Um, if anyone knows of any other microtasking, you can post it in the comments, and I may refer. I may link to those in the description. But I'm going to link to this in the description and show you, and basically just leave this as an option for you all to do if you all want to do microtasking. Um, let's see if I have any queues. Let's time remaining. What is this? Oh, cute. See, and that's what happens sometimes. You go to it and it says there's nothing here yet. It's either glitched, they haven't made it very correctly, or it's just something's wrong with it on Amazon. And that will probably be the same. But don't get too upset if you get those screens so much, because you'll just have to check back later when everything's working more properly. This was the one we were doing. And I want to show you what most of them are. Describe an image which contains text. So basically, just put the text from an image, extract data from a shopping receipt. Some of these are a little more detailed, and you might have to download MTurk is really better on that, so where you don't have to download a program. And then simple 15-minute tasks. This is probably a survey. Copy, edit English text. This is probably making sure it's spelled correctly. Earn up to per timing review. I'm not sure what that is. Evaluate quality of image description. Yeah, just basically rate how someone described an image. Transcription of audio. I like these because I'm pretty good at it, but a lot of people might not be that good at it. But I'm a fast typer, so I like doing those. Type the text from images carefully. Productivity and bonuses guaranteed. Some of these have bonuses, and they're really good to do. So try to do those sometimes. It's only 1 cent, so probably don't worry about it. Research survey. Evaluate quality. Full text review. I think it's something like, might be like summarizing a piece of text or something, and then something like that. Transcript up to per minute transcripted. Usually be a minute or two, and you'll get paid for it. Some of these pay well, some of these pay don't. Tobacco products, paid screener. Oh, so 50-cent bonus for short survey. That's pretty good. Restaurant receipt transcription. You'll basically transcribe it onto and make it better English or whatever. Collect pricing, subscription, and licensing pages. This, you would just search a website and collect the information from it. And let's see, which photo is most attractive. Yeah, they'll probably just put it side by side and have you compare and then write which one you like better. Task and behavior study, probably a survey. Addressing online hostility, um, probably a survey. Lots of surveys, but the good thing is they are guaranteed to pay you out if you start the if you most of the time if you start the survey. It's usually not an approval thing. You're usually already approved if you're on MTurk. They just want you to do it. I mean, yeah, the downside is maybe it doesn't pay as much as other survey websites, but it is almost guaranteed, so that's a good thing. Collect data from a Craigslist post, and then tell if it names by gender. A lot of number crunching questions for people for companies, as you would expect. Characterize animals, perception of social, smartwatch, disidentity, not being a dog, record audio captions for videos. Ooh, I want to see what this. Come on, please work. Please work. Record audio captions for videos. I can't read this page. Yeah, I know. That'll happen. All right, go back. Hopefully, it didn't zoom into the top of the page. All right. What type of educational organization is this? I usually skip the ones 1 to 3 cents. I'll do them if they're like 5, 10, 15 cents. Record audio captions for videos. Steps and work. So probably not going to work. Probably going to be the can't reach page. Well, that's about it. And that's an overview. Sometimes when you start, you're going to have to put in your ID. You're going to have to paste your ID. You can copy it right there. And you can set goals. And you can see how much of the way you already are that goal since I haven't made any in the past week. It's not going to show anything. You can search hits and see which ones you want to do. You got qualifications. Let's see what that means. Yeah, approval rate. HITs. Now, I have not had any rejections. I've only had approvals. So that will go towards being able to do more HITs. And that will get you a lot more pay than if you didn't do a good job. So always do a good job and you will get paid pretty decently on here. Pinterest ad relevance. Let's see if this one works. I wanted to show you one that worked, but and let's see. Transcribe the following images. All right, let's see what happens with this one. As is. Oh, well, it didn't work. And our conversation, 5 minutes. Ooh, those are pretty good ones. I also like the present tense ones. All you have to do is write a couple sentences and you get like 20, 30, 40 cents. 1 minute task. Give an idea for a simple. We can create and sell mobile phone gameplay idea. Hit 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 water to make ripples. Okay, and let's see what happens. Can we even submit it? Because I think I got my face in the way. Do I have my face in the way? Oh well. Okay. Well, that's basically all you have to do on Amazon MTurk. Glad I got to show you all uh, what this all entailed, and hope you all have fun doing it. Smash the like button, smash subscribe, and bell phone notification icon to get more of the videos that you like. Um, Tell me what kind of videos you all like, and I will post more of them in the future. This is it. This is kind of a big deal out.